Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can format table text with bold, italic, underline, or strike through in the Notes app on the iPhone 14 series. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen or in the app library, open up the Notes app. Then open up a note from one of the folder. Next, we go to the table and tap on a column. So tap on a column or a row, and you can see right here there is an option button on the side. So tap on the row that you want to format the text. So tap on it to select, then tap on it again, and then you will see a menu. In here, tap on format, then tap on bold, italic, or underline. Here if I choose underline, you can see it will highlight the whole row. It will format the whole row. You can't actually format individual cells, either the whole row or a whole column. And from here you can choose to format with underline or strike through. And that's it. So that is how you can format text. So here I can do it for the column as well. Format, format, and then select bold. And that is how you can format text in a table in the Notes app. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.